Hi friends, have a nice day. I'm Udara Kasum. Today I'm going to show how to use Entity Framework in ASP.NET web application. Still need to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe now. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need to create ASP.NET MVC web application. If you want to guideline to create application, please watch my previous video. I hope you guys successfully created project like this, and go to first Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and create a database. Right click on the database and select new database. My EFDB and click OK button. Okay, then we need to add table into our database. Right click on the table and click new table, and here you can add columns. First of all, we want to add ID column. Data type select as integer. Untick allow nulls and go to identity specification and change is identity no to yes. Because of identity framework must create auto increment column, because of entity frameworks requires a primary key to generate a model from database. If there is no primary key on the table, it will simply select non-nullable column as a charactered primary key and the entity will read only. Okay, next column username, next column password, next column display name, and don't forget to set as primary key. Right, and save our table. Table name users. Good, you can see my table is created. Now I'm going to edit rows to my table. Username, password 1 2 3 4, and display name the password, and execute. Well done, we successfully created our database and table. Next, go to our project, and here first of all we need to install entity framework. Okay, what is the entity framework? Entity framework is an object relational mapper or ORM, which is a type of tool that simplifies mapping between objects in your software to the tables and columns of relational database. Entity framework or EF is an open source ORM framework for ADO.NET, which is a part of .NET framework. Okay, let's install Entity framework. Right click on the project and here select manage new get package. Right here select browse tab and type entity framework. You can see here guys, entity framework latest version 6.2. install them. Here click OK and accept license agreement. Okay, now you can see guys, our entity framework is installing. Next, you want to add DB context class, database context class. Right click on the model folder and here add new class, my DB context, and here you need to inherit DB context class. Not a MyDB context, you need to inherit DB context. Using system.data.entity. Right, next we need to add constructor. Public MyDB context base this dot configuration dot lazy loading enables false. Okay, next we want to pass connection string to our database context class. Then next go to web config file and here after config section add connection string. Connection strings. Here add name my con str string data source localhost /SQL Express. Initial catalog. Initial catalog means your database name. What is our database name? Check it out. Check it again. myefdb. myefdb. Next, user ID. Say and next password. At 93 and 94. Next, we need to specify provider name. Provider system.sql. Next, we want to specify provider name system data.sql client. System.data.sql client. Okay, then copy connection string name and go to context class and paste here. Okay, next we want to add another models. Here, go to add new class. Users. Here I'm going to add model properties. First one, public int id get insert. Next, public string username get insert. Next, add public string password get insert. Next, add public string display name. Add some annotations. Table, open parentheses and type our table name. Let's check our table name. Users. These are and here new annotation. Also, you can change column name, such as we creating the table display name like this. I'm going to change my display name display name. Then you need to add new annotation column. What is your column name? Display. Right, perfect. Next, go to my DB context class again, and here public virtual DB set. Here at our users model name. Users. User. Okay, perfect. We successfully created a database connection. Next, I'm going to retrieve display name from the database. going to add new folder, sp.net folder. Here the app code, and here add new class user management, and click add button, and go to properties, and you must change content to compile. Add new method, public string, because of I need to return my display name. Get display name. Add try catch. Return something was wrong. Using what is our data DB context, my DB context, my context. Using my app with ef6 dot models. As I knew my DB context. Okay. Next, DB dot user dot first dot default dot display. Okay. And here don't forget to add return. Okay, well done. Next, go to our controller, and here I'll go to call my user management class. First of all, create user management object. User management. New user management. Right. Yeah, new back dot my display dot get display name. Next, go to the our view, and here I change, and here I do few changes. My display is at viewbag dot my display. Okay guys, we successfully created everything. Next, we can see the result. Run our project, and here I'll go to add debug point, because of I want to see what has happened inside my project. My debug point hit. Next, press F10, F10 and F11, and press F10 and F10. Initial catalog. It's some spelling mistake. Country plus. data source, initial, catalog, 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 myfdb, okay, user id. Okay, run again. Okay, next F10, F10, F11, 10, 10, 10. Okay, what has happened? Email it column username. R was missing. Okay, next run again. F11. Oh, it's good. You can see here my display name Udar.Kasun and continue. My display name is Udar.Kasun. Okay guys, I hope you will learn something from this. If you have any comment or any new idea or any suggestions, please write down below. Don't forget to comment, and still need to subscribe. Please subscribe now and don't forget to press like button. Okay guys, see you next time.